Magandang buhay, mabuting araw ang pagbati ko sa ating mga senyorito at senyorita, lalong-lalo na yung mga naghahanap ng magtrabaho, yung mga first-time job seekers dahil ang balitang ito ay para sa inyo kung paano kayo makakalibre ng mga requirements sa paghahanap ng trabaho. Ito ay in compliance with the Republic Act 11261, also known as the First-Time Job Seekers Assistance Act. Dahil dito, ang first-time job seeker ay makakakuha ng libreng NBI certificate, medical certificate, marriage contract, at mga iba't iba pang kakailanganin kapag naghahanap ng trabaho. So this time, ipapakita ko kung paano ka makakakuha ng libreng NBI certificate. Pag-open mo ng kanilang official website, ito ang makikita mong advisory para sa mga first-time applicants, renewal of NBI clearance, renewal but previous NBI clearance has correction, error, changes in any field, even if a single letter is to be corrected, needs to register online again. Kailangan ding mag-present ng 2 valid government ID, gaya ng national ID, UMID, passport, driver's license, birth certificate authenticated by PSA o yung original copy, at saka etc. Ewan ko kung anong klaseng ID itong etc. Joke lang. Non-government issued IDs such as company IDs and barangay clearance are not accepted as valid IDs in processing NBI clearance. Barangay certificate is required for first-time job seekers availing the free service. Kapag first-time job seeker, maaari kang mag-avail ng free service once and 1 copy of clearance lang. Kailangan ng barangay certificate from place of residence stating that you are a resident for at least 6 months and a first-time job seeker. The issued barangay certificate ay pwedeng gamitin within 1 year from the date of issuance. Kapag meron ka ng barangay certificate, click continue. Fill upan ang mga hinihinging impormasyon as a first-time job seeker. Gender select from the drop-down list. Same with civil status. Ilagay ang first name, middle name, surname, mother's maiden name, mobile number, enter new email address. Ilagay ang password, then confirm. Click agree. Then upon clicking the sign up button, meron ka ng one-time password na ilalagay doon sa number na nilagay mo. Return to the NBI website and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, find the application form for NBI clearance. Provide the necessary personal details. The filled downward arrows are clickable in the image of the application form. Select the purpose for obtaining the NBI certificate. Dahil first-time job seeker ang ilalagay mo o kayang pipiliin mo sa drop-down list ay employment. After completing the application form, proceed ka na for appointment. Sa mga iba, kapag na-fill outan na nila ang kanilang application form, proceed for payment sila. Pero dahil sa Job Seeker Assistance Act, ang next step mo ay appointment window. Nasa appointment ka na. Schedule your appointment sa nearest NBI branch. Bring your documents on your appointment day. Valid ID, reference number ng iyong online application, at ang barangay certificate na nagsasabi na ikaw ay first-time job seeker. On the day of your appointment, kukuhanan ka na ng photo at fingerprints. If no criminal record is found, your NBI certificate will be issued immediately. Otherwise, maghihintay ka pa ng 5 or 1 week para ma-release ang iyong NBI certificate.